Hey guys, so today I thought I would give you some thoughts on the Dieux Instant Angel Moisturizer. And I've been asked to review this one, so I've had a little chance to try it out, so I'm going to share my thoughts with you as well as some dupes, because this one is a little bit pricey. I think it's $45, and it's 1.7 ounces, or they sell a larger size as well. There's a little chipmunk very close. Do you hear him? I'm just glad Lincoln didn't see him, because Lincoln likes to chase him, and then they go up the tree and then Lincoln doesn't get him. He's so cute. I just can't stop looking at him. Anyway, okay, so here we go. It's a nice moisturizer. They say a deeply moisturizing, nourishing face cream that supports and repairs skin while giving an ethereal glow using a blend of phytosterols, free fatty acids, palmitoyl hexapeptide 12, ceramides, urea, squalane. It gives hydration while reinforcing the skin barrier. So I've been testing this now for, I would say 2 weeks now. And it's nice. It is very, very hydrating. And the one little issue I have with it is I'm not terribly prone to milia, but I've been getting a little bit of milia since I started using this. I've been using this in my evening routine towards the end of it after serums and any treatments. And used it a few mornings. It's been pretty humid out, so I haven't needed to use much moisturizer in the morning, but it does feel really nice on the skin. But if you're prone to milia or acne-prone skin, I would be a little cautious of it because it has a few acne-genic ingredients in it, but it feels really nice, and it does have a nice glowy finish. And Lincoln just saw the chipmunk, FYI. Anyway, so it feels nice, but if you're very acne-prone or prone to milia, Summer Fridays came out with a rich cushion cream, and this stuff is very thick, but I haven't noticed any milia issues with this one yet, so who knows? You never know. Something might work great for me and not for you, or vice versa. You just don't know. The nice thing with this is it's cruelty-free as well as vegan, so that's always nice. And some of the star ingredients of it, squalane, let's see, linoleic acid, Phytosterols, sodium PCA, urea's in there. Urea and sodium PCA are in there after Phenoxyethanol, just FYI. Castor oil is in there, and then the peptide that they mentioned is the last ingredient, and then there's sodium hyaluronate, vitamin E in there as well. So for acne-prone skin, the main ingredients of note, squalane. Most people don't have an issue with it. I really don't, unless it's like pure, like 100% squalane oil. That's the only time I've really had an issue with it. Cetearyl alcohol, Glyceryl stearate, hexylene glycol, palmitic acid. Hi, Lincoln. And then vitamin E, sorbate, and isostearate. Those are the main ingredients of note for acne-prone skin. I'm not exactly certain which specific ingredient here might have caused the milia, but anyway, I'm working on getting it gone. So I think with using some retinoids and exfoliant acids can help treat that. Sometimes people need to go into the doctor to get it removed, or a dermatologist to get it removed. I've had it very rarely, but I typically am able to get it to go away on my own with acids and retinols. The nice thing with this one is there's no scent to it, and there's no denatured types of alcohol, so that's pretty nice. I've got some dupes as well. The other thing I do want to mention, which side of the aisle you're on, or opinion of it, doesn't matter, but I do want to point out and some people might buy it for this, and some people might not buy it because of it. They donate a portion of every sales to certain reproductive rights organizations. So whichever side, this has nothing to do with politics, but you know what, whichever side you're on, just FYI, because it might make people want to buy it that wouldn't buy it, or it might make people that wouldn't want to buy it not want to buy it, or want to buy it or not want to buy it. So anyway, so some dupes or alternatives, because it is kind of pricey. Some of these dupes are much more expensive, and some of them are a lot more affordable. The Kate Somerville Total Repair Cream, the Skin Better Trio Moisture Treatment, and Skin Better is a pretty expensive brand, so, and a lot of them are just carried at dermatologists or esthetician's office. So anyway, Fig Retinol Cream. I just got this. Fig is not a huge brand, but they were just on, there's a company that does a Free Gift Friday, Beauty Pass, I believe is what it is. And every Friday they have a new product, and they have a certain amount of them, and if you can get it fast enough, you just have to pay for shipping. So the Skin Better Retinol Cream was just on that, and I picked it up actually. So anyway, I think the shipping's like 13 bucks, and sometimes they'll have a SkinCeuticals product, or sometimes there'll be a brand I've never heard of, so sometimes it's worth it. The Strivectin Antioxidant Defense Lotion is another one. The Fig Ceramide Moisturizer. The Drunk Elephant F-Balm, which is going to be more expensive, and then the Crave Great Barrier Relief is also another dupe for it. So the Crave is going to be probably the most affordable one. So worth checking out. Oh, there's Lincoln. Oh, hi. Anyway, so it's nice. Here's how it soaked in. It sets to kind of a natural finish that is slightly glowy, but it feels really nice. And anyway, so not a must-have, and I probably will finish it on my neck, maybe hands and arms, because I don't think my face will tolerate it with the, there's just a little something in there that's a little bit causing the million, maybe a little bit of clogged pores. So anyway, so I don't think I can do a 30-day review on it, because I think after 30 days, I can't imagine what my skin would do. So anyway, my thoughts, and maybe this one will be better. I'll definitely do a first review of this one, first impressions review of this one as well. So anyway, interested from you guys if you had a chance to check this one out yet or not, and what your thoughts are. So leave a comment. Nothing political, please. We're not politics. But anyway, love hearing from you guys. Everyone, whatever opinion you have, it doesn't matter. It has nothing to do with skincare or anything else. So it's just something I wanted to mention, because maybe one way or the other, it might make a difference to somebody. So anyway, thanks so much, and I will see you guys. Oh, I picked this up from SoCoGlam, I want to mention, because they had better coupon codes than this brand did. Anyway, so we're checking out. Okay, thanks so much. Bye, guys.